Hey everybody, Dr. Nuveen here. I have gotten some questions that I need to address, so I thought I'd make another video about how our office is handling this health crisis, the coronavirus pandemic. And I need to tell you that I am being urged, if not required, to not see patients. The American Dental Association, the North Dakota Dental Association have come together and agreed that no dental procedures are to be performed for the foreseeable future unless they are emergent. And then they went on to define that as any dental procedure that relieves pain or infection, or a dental procedure after trauma. For instance, you get in a car accident and you get your teeth knocked in, and you need to see the oral surgeon and have teeth removed or something like that. Pain and infection is swelling related to a tooth infection, and that's about it. Or a toothache associated with a deep cavity. They specifically said no orthodontic adjustments nor any kind of orthodontic procedures other than to cut sharp wires. No repairing loose brackets, no repairing anything that's broken like a retainer, no lost retainer replacements, no nothing. For those of you who are familiar with my team, one of my team members is in her 60s and she literally is risking her life seeing anybody in the office right now. I'm in my 50s and I have another staff member in her 50s and another one who's close to 50, and so they are at higher risk as well. And so we need to keep the contact we have with patients to a minimum until this passes. Okay, so I hope that clears things up. Now, for another piece of information I need to share with you is that the Washington State Dental Association did extend no elective dental procedures in their state to May 18th. Now, our office is currently closed till April 20th, pending any further developments. And I would love to open earlier than that, of course, but I don't know how it's going to go. So also, the state of Oregon has done something similar, and I'm not sure about the date on that. I believe it's earlier in May. But my expectation is that other states are going to follow suit and push out elective dental procedures, which include orthodontic procedures, until sometime in May. The reason they're doing that is, number one, to flatten the curve, and number two, to help provide personal protective equipment for the medical professionals to help fight this virus pandemic. Because, of course, dental professionals use that equipment as well. So if they aren't using it, then more is available for the medical professionals. On a lighter note, I have a tip for you for snacks at home. And I know a lot of you know about the Instant Pot, the pressure cooker thing. You put the lid on and put some water in there or food, and it cooks the food really fast. So those of you who have an Instant Pot, they make the best hard-boiled eggs in the world. It's super easy. So here's the short version. Basically, you take 8 ounces of water, cup of water, pour it in your Instant Pot, put a dozen eggs in there, set it for 5 minutes, and walk away. Close the little steam valve. When it beeps, you fill a bowl with ice and then put the eggs in there with ice water, and then take them each out and crack the shell, and they literally the shell falls off the egg. You know how you end up picking that stupid shell? It drives me crazy. Well, these literally fall off the egg, and you're left with these super soft, they're the best snack in the world, and they won't break braces. So that brings me to my other point. While you're trapped inside, please don't eat hard snacks. No Doritos, no Cheetos, no Fritos, no tacos, no popcorn, no pretzels, and no wrestling on the basement floor because you're going to get your braces stuck in the carpet or somebody's going to hit you in the mouth and I'm not going to be able to fix it. So please take care of your braces during this time so we don't have any major issues with broken stuff. Okay? Thank you guys so much. Today is March 20th, yes, and unfortunately we now have 20 cases of COVID-19 in North Dakota, up from 3 just 3 days ago, I believe. So not a great trend, but hopefully it will stop. We don't have any in Grand Forks County confirmed, but I know people are coming back from spring break tomorrow. Okay, that's about it. You guys have any questions? You can email me at drnuveen@drnuveen@smilesinc.com, or leave a comment below and I'll be able to help you out. Okay, thank you so much, and I will hopefully see you soon.